Once again, welcome here in this online platform. Today we will start a topic. The name of the topic is germination. This is the topic of class 5th science chapter 1. So let's start this particular topic. So what is germination? Germination, it is a process by which a seed produces a new plant. So what is germination? Means the seed, it is going to produce a new plant. By which process? The name of the process is germination. So here one seed has mentioned. Now this particular seed is going to convert into a new plant seed, and this is going to convert into the plant with the process that is known as a germination. So further we are going to focus on the various steps which are dedicated for the germination. So all seeds need air, water and warmth to germinate into seedlings. So there are some specific things which are required for the germination of a particular seed into a new plant. So what are these three things? These are air, water and warmth. What is the meaning of warmth here? This, it is going to indicate the heat. Means if seed, it is going to, if the seed, it wants to convert itself in a mature plant, so it requires air, water and warmth. Okay, so next point is what? If a seed does not receive any one of the three, it will not germinate. Means if we will not give air or if the plant will not get air properly, water properly, as well as the heat properly or warmth properly, it will not be able to germinate. Okay, so these are the three things which are very much required for the germination of a particular seed. There are various stages which are mentioned here, and these are dedicated for the germination of a particular seed. What are these? These are stages of germination of a bean seed. So this particular diagram, it is going to indicate here this seed, it is going to convert into a mature plant with the process that is known as a germination. So this seed, it is going to follow various stages. With the help of these particular various stages, this seed, it is going to convert into the mature plant. So what are these stages? These are, first, the seed gets air, water and sunlight. So this particular seed, it will get air, water and sunlight. Sunlight it will get from the sun. So what happened? The seed soaks up water. This seed, when it will get water, so this particular seed, it will soak the water, and what will happen? The seed coat of that particular bean seed, it will break down, and what will happen? The root will be emerges. So where the root are going to emerges? This is the seed, and the root, it is going to emerges, starting to emerge here. So this is what? It's a emerging of the new root here. In this particular stage, this is a seed, and the formation of the plumule as well as the root, it is going to focus here in this particular stage. Now next stage is what? The new plant develops root and a shoot. Next, as the plant grows in size, it develops leaves. So as it has been indicated here, the new formation of new plant, the plumule as well as the root is going to happen here. Next, development, when this particular seed, it is going to occupy the stage of the maturation, then what will happen? Various leaves will also be germinated here. So what will happen? Various leaves are present here in this particular diagram. Next is what? As the plant grows in size, it develops leaves. So it is going to clear to you all students that the leaves will be also be present there. Next, during the early stages of germination, the seedlings get the food required for its growth from the cotyledons. At this point, it is going to indicate about that when the seed was very early, means in the early stage of the germination, the seed gets its food from the cotyledons. But what will happen? After the food stored in the cotyledons after the food stored in the cotyledons has been used up, when the food of the cotyledons will be used up, it gets the food from the soil, from where that particular seed it will get the food, it will get from the soil. Next, the seedlings absorb water and nutrients from the soil with the help of roots. Means that particular seedlings means what, that is the young plant from because the food of the cotyledons has been used, so from where the young plant will get the nutrition, so it will get the nutrition from the soil with the help of the root. So next, it develops leaves and grows into a plant. So finally, this particular seed, it is going to form a mature plant with the various processes. So this was all about the germination of the seed. In the next video, we will discuss about the dispersal of the seed, how the various seed they are going to disperse, and the formation of the new plant is going to occur. Till then, be safe, stay at home, and do your study very much with the help of ebooks, and follow all the safety guidelines at the home.